Hello, plant science enthusiasts. Welcome back to Plant Science for You. Today is a special day as we celebrate the birth anniversary of a true pioneer in the field of biology and genetics, Gregor Mendel. In this episode, we'll delve into Mendel's significant contributions that shaped our understanding of genetics and revolutionized the study of heredity. So, let's dive right in. Before we delve into Mendel's groundbreaking work, let's take a moment to understand who he was. Gregor Mendel was an Austrian scientist born on July 20, 1822. He was a friar and an Augustinian monk, residing in Brno, which is now in the Czech Republic. Mendel's fascination with plants and their heredity laid the foundation for modern genetics. Mendel started his experiments to get answer of two basic but fundamental questions of genetics: 1. What is inherited, and 2. How it is inherited. Mendel's experiments were conducted in the monastery garden, where he meticulously studied pea plants. Through careful cross-breeding and observation, he formulated the principles of inheritance. Mendel's experiments were groundbreaking for two main reasons. Firstly, he chose pea plants because they had easily distinguishable traits, such as flower color, seed shape, and plant height. Secondly, he applied a quantitative approach to his experiments, making them more precise and statistically significant. Mendel's pioneering work led to the formulation of two fundamental laws of inheritance. 1. The law of segregation. Mendel proposed that each individual organism possesses two alleles for a particular trait, one inherited from each parent. During gamete formation, these alleles segregate, ensuring that each gamete carries only one allele for each trait. 2. The law of independent assortment. This law states that the inheritance of one trait is independent of the inheritance of another. In other words, the distribution of alleles for one trait does not affect the distribution of alleles for another trait during gamete formation. Mendel published his paper in 1866, with all the answers he was looking for. 1. Factor, now we called it gene, is inherited. 2. These factors are inherited by following the above two fundamental laws of inheritance, what we understand today by seeing the chromosomal behavior of inheritance. At the time when Mendel worked, there was hardly any discovery related to that chromosomal behavior. By this line you can imagine how intelligent and great Mendel was. That is what makes him the father of genetics. Mendel's work, though initially overlooked, gained recognition in the scientific community years after his death in 1900. His ideas laid the foundation for the field of genetics and transformed the study of heredity from a vague concept to a well-defined scientific discipline. As we celebrate Mendel's birth anniversary today, let's take a moment to appreciate the immense contribution of this brilliant scientist to the field of biology and genetics. The laws he established are still fundamental to our understanding of inheritance and the basis of modern genetics. Thank you for joining us on this special episode of Plant Science for You. If you enjoyed learning about Gregor Mendel and his contributions to genetics, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on plant science. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow plant enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of plant science. Happy gardening!